everyone, welcome to Joro. My name is Michal, I'm a German account manager, and today I'm hosting Mr. FabianMarco Gerstbacher, our famous, the one and only PI from Germany.
Yeah, come on.
Welcome to Tel Aviv. Thank you very much for coming.
Yeah, we're happy to be here. It's really nice.
I hope the coffee was excellent.
Yeah, it was. It was perfect.
I'm glad to hear. For those of you that haven't met Fabian yet, last year was his first webinar with me also. He's a very famous popular investor for about 3 years already, and you're highly appreciated. And if in any case, and some of you would like to see his webinar, please feel free to contact your account managers. But for now, I'm having some questions for you, if I may ask.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, excellent. So you introduced yourself. So now actually basically the whole world knows who you are.
I mean, you introduced me, but yeah.
Well, basically you and me. All right. Like as I already said, 2018, we knew we got to know each other, but 2019 was kind of wavy, let's say. What happened? Like, what was the biggest challenge for you actually in 2019? I mean, it was a very rough year for us.
Yeah.
Until now.
Yeah, the market is. I think it's less predictable in 2019 because the volatility was really high.
Yeah.
So, and we had a lot of news that moved the market a lot, especially some Twitter feeds from tweets from Trump and stuff like this. Yes. So the markets were really volatile, and it's not that easy to handle that because I'm a fundamental data, so I'm really focused on data. Mm-hmm. So for me, it was a little bit hard, and could be the year was challenging, but yeah, I mean it's not over yet, and I'm still in plus, so everything's fine.
Yeah, so I'm very happy to hear. But are you also very happy about the results this year? Did you think about higher profits or turnovers? Yeah,
normally at the beginning of the year I try to do a prediction for the end of the year, mm-hmm. and for this year I was hoping for like 25% or more. So we're not there yet. I mean it's September, so it's still a lot of time. But
not yet.
But yeah, it could be more. It's okay, but a little bit more would be fine. So
I'm sure you'll be fine. So apropos, what are you going to focus on from now? Is there a little change on your strategy, or will you keep the work as you did it before?
I think this year, the beginning of next year will be a transition phase. So at the moment, it's not so easy to say in which direction the markets will head, mm-hmm. because I'm not sure. I think I'm pretty sure that we will see a crash or a recession.
Mm-hmm, yeah. Or a depression. Don't make me cry.
Yeah, no. So, but we still have to wait for the trigger to start that. And yeah, until that, I'm trying to be a little bit more defensive. Mm-hmm. So looking for more defensive stocks and that pay dividends and they are not too volatile and just lower the risk a little bit. Mm-hmm. So. And to see where the markets are heading. So I think it's at the moment you don't have a clear sign where the markets are going. Mm-hmm. And yeah, I think 2019 will be mostly seeing where we are going and make profit with the volatility that is there.
And what could you, for instance, recommend? I mean, you're not allowed to give any investment advices.
Yeah, but, I don't do that normally, but yeah.
But what markets should be interesting for our client, for instance, in the volatility?
Yeah, I think it could be a good idea to look a little bit more into gold also for example.
Yeah.
I mean, gold is always good to have a little bit in your account, mm-hmm. to just have something stable or safe in your account.
Yeah.
So I think gold in this particular situation normally I'm not too much into gold, but in this situation could be a good idea.
I agree.
And also maybe it's good to open some shorts because if the crash is coming, it's good to focus if you can make cash with it, or if you profit of it, you can take profit. Yeah. So I think the markets at the moment it's really hard to say which market has the best forecast or something. Yeah, the highest value. Uh-huh. But I mean, which stocks are developing quite good at the moment are the American market because in Europe you have some signs of that the market is slowing down. And in the US, the market is still growing. So, you have some signs of slowing there too, but not too many. So, and especially the working area, so the job part is really strong, still really strong. So, could be a good idea to profit until the crash. So, profit there.
So, basically, you're pretty sure that a crash is going to come. We're going to have a recession.
I think so. I think the signs are there, and the problem is that the banks don't have, so the central banks don't have too much to do against it. I mean, they lowered the rates already,
Interest rates.
Yeah, the interest rates, and they're already quite low. So, and last time they lowered it and then tried to help the economy, but they can't lower them anymore because the ECB is already at 0. So. I mean, you can go in the minus, but yeah, I don't know if it helps or if it makes things worse. So I'm not sure if it's coming, but I think the next year will show. So we will see.
Okay, so when we take a look to the beginning of the year 2019 and to the first quarter 2020, what do you think is the most important happening? Is it about the European Central Bank? Is it the China trade war, US recession?
I think there are three big things. I think the Brexit.
Yeah.
I think people lost focus, so people forget about it because it takes so long. I mean, it's like the election was in 2016, so and it takes so long. People forget that it's a dangerous situation because now they want to postpone it another half a year. I don't know, or if it will take place. I don't know, but if we have a hard Brexit, I think this could make things really worse in Europe. And yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to happen or if they want to postpone it until 2040 or something like this. Who knows? But this is a big challenge for Europe mostly. The trade war, big theme. So really, it's not clear what will happen there. So three things: Brexit, trade war, and for me, it's the central banks, because I'm not sure if, as I said, what they want to do about the slowing down on the economy. But yeah, let's see.
Okay, well, let's see. It will be very rough,
but
let's hope for the best. If you have any concerns, any questions, please feel free to contact us. And thank you for watching us. Bye-bye.
Bye.